Modern refrigerators power up savings with smarter choices. Choosing the right refrigerator can impact both your wallet and the planet. While older models were energy guzzlers, modern advancements have led to significant improvements in efficiency. This guide explores what makes a refrigerator energy-saving and how to make an informed choice. Defrosting your way to savings. Refrigerators come in two main defrosting types: frost-free and direct cool. Frost-free models offer convenience by automatically preventing ice buildup. But this convenience comes at a cost. They use a heating element that consumes more energy. Direct cool models require manual defrosting, but their simpler design translates to lower energy use. Star power, decoding the label. Recognizing the energy efficiency of a refrigerator is easy thanks to the Bureau of Energy Efficiency (B) star rating system. This mandatory rating applies to frost-free models, with 5 stars indicating the highest efficiency. While not mandatory for direct cool models, choosing higher rated options still benefits you and the environment. The inverter advantage. Both frost-free and direct cool refrigerators can now benefit from inverter compressor technology. Unlike conventional compressors that run at fixed speeds, inverter compressors adjust their speed based on cooling needs. This means they use less energy while maintaining a constant temperature, saving you money and reducing wear and tear. Size matters, but efficiency matters more. Bigger refrigerators offer more space but also consume more energy. Don't be fooled by size alone. Always check the star rating and the presence of inverter technology to ensure you are getting an energy-efficient model that fits your needs. Be a smart shopper. Before buying, do your research. The B website offers a wealth of information on comparing models and their energy consumption. Explore online platforms like RelianceDigital.in for price comparisons and additional features. Remember, visiting your nearest Reliance Digital store can provide expert advice and a hands-on experience. Power up savings. Cool down your footprint. By understanding how defrosting type, star ratings, and inverter technology affect energy use, you can make informed choices that benefit both your wallet and the environment. Choose wisely, cool down your energy consumption, and contribute to a greener future, one smart refrigerator purchase at a time.